Want to improve or spice up your TV viewing experience at home? Check out this latest smart and colorful Govee TV Backlight kit. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's unbox, install, and check out how Govee's TV Backlight 3 Lite can spice up our TV viewing experience at home. It comes in 3 different sizes. I have the largest one here for my LG 83-inch G4 TV. This one is a special edition with Dune theme lighting effects, so it comes in this Dune theme packaging. Cool. Inside the special packaging, there is a QR code to activate the special lighting effects. More paperwork, quick start guide, and a user manual. The LED light strip in a spool. The controller box. Under this cover, a power supply, and USB-C cable for connecting to the camera. Mounting clips to hold down the lighting strip and wires, optional tapes for mounting the camera, alcohol cleaning wipes, and inside this large box, orange blocks for camera calibration, and lastly, the camera. The LED strip comes in a spool. Quality is quite good. It now has an extra warm white light for better and brighter effects. It's one long strip divided into 4 sections, one for each edge of the TV. They're connected by thinner wires to go around the corners. Very thoughtful. Govee also supplies these mounting clips to hold the extra wires and light strip in place around the corners. The Backlight 3 Lite camera is in a hinge design with a weighted back. The tip is in shiny piano black, and the rest of the hinge is matted black. There's a subtle Govee logo at the tip. The camera is right underneath. Inside the hinge are silicone pads for the camera to just rest on top of the TV. Extra double-sided tapes are included to hold it down in place if you need it. There's an USB-C port in the back for connection. The controller box is where everything plugs in. It's thin and light. There's an USB-C port for the camera, another port for the LED strip. On the other side, there's an input for power. On the back, there's a 3M tape to attach the controller box to the back of the TV. There are 3 physical buttons for control: on and off, color, and music mode or brightness. Let's plug the light strip in to make sure it lights up before installation. There's a little indicator light right below the buttons. Good, it lights up. Installation is straightforward if there's enough room between the TV and the wall, or if the TV is unmounted. I already have my TV flush mounted, so I need to pull it out to make more room for the installation. Use the included alcohol prep pads to wipe the installation surface and ensure it's clean and dry. Starting from one of the shorter side edges, peel off the backing of the tape to stick the light strip to the TV. Use the included mounting clips to hold the strip and wires around the corners as needed. Position the camera on top center of the TV. It just rests on the top of the TV in my case. Make sure the camera arm is at a right angle to the TV. It sticks out quite a bit in the back, so I may have to leave the TV pulled out or change to a different TV mount with more space between the TV and the wall. It'd be great if Govee can offer better mounting options for a flush-mounted TV. Alright, that's plugged everything in. Good. It's ready to be connected to the Govee Home app for calibration and control. Once the app is installed and signed in, tap the plus icon on the top right corner to add and pair the backlight. Make sure the camera is centered on the TV at a right angle. Run through the calibration with these orange foam blocks stick to the edges of the TV. Drag the 7 calibration points to the positioning points. Govee has a great video on the calibration process. I'll link it in the description below for your reference. Once calibrated, the app automatically suggests a firmware update. So many things can be adjusted with the app. The brightness can be adjusted. Colors too, of course. The colors are vibrant. There are many scenes to choose from. Here are a few. There's fire, moonlight, rainbow, and the special Ericus. The lights can change with music, DIY settings, finger sketch, and with AI by uploading a photo. All very cool for parties, but most of the time, I will likely use it in the video mode. Super Mario Bros. Basketball. Bora Bora. Taiwan. Beautiful. And check this out. The kids and I can watch this all night. Lastly, of course, Dune. It can also be integrated into Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. This Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite for 75 to 85-inch TVs retails for $109.99 US, $89.99 for 55 to 65-inch TVs, and $69.99 for 40 to 50-inch TVs. There are often good discounts from time to time in the links I'll put in the description below. For around $100 or less, this is one great way to improve and spice up your TV viewing experience at home. This backlight can also sync its light effects with up to 7 sub-devices. I'll see if I can get more Govee devices to show it off in a future video. What do you think? Have you tried bias lighting behind the TV such as this one at home? Do you think it helps with eye fatigue, improves your TV's contrast, or makes your viewing experience more immersive? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. It really helps me out. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment. Big thanks to Govee for sending this out for me to try and share with you.